Have you ever noticed this? You get a raise. It feels great. And then, a few weeks later, nothing feels different. Your paycheck is higher, but your sense of security is exactly the same. This isn't just you. And it isn't bad budgeting. Most American workers say they can barely afford more than basic expenses. Even people earning six figures often say the comfort they expected never arrived. So why does more money stop feeling like progress? To understand this, we have to look at two worlds: the economy around you and the psychology inside you. Together, they explain why your salary never feels like enough. For decades after World War II, something was simple. When workers produced more value, their pay went up too. But around the early 1970s, that link broke. Since then, productivity kept rising. But typical wages mostly stopped growing. So today, many workers create more value than past generations, without seeing the same increase in purchasing power. Not all prices rise the same way. Consumer goods like TV and clothes got cheaper over time. Global trade and automation helped. But essential services did not. Healthcare, childcare, education. These still require human labor, and their costs rise faster than wages. Any money saved on cheap goods gets absorbed by these basics. Housing is often the biggest squeeze. In the 1980s, a home cost about 3.5 times the median income. Today, it is closer to 5 times. In some cities, it is 10 times or more. That means even a good salary now goes mostly toward shelter. But the pressure isn't just external. Your brain adapts faster than your bank account. This is called hedonic adaptation. A raise creates a short boost in happiness. Then your mind resets. What once felt like a luxury becomes normal. This is why progress feels invisible over time. As income rises, spending often rises too. A nicer apartment, better groceries, a newer car. Each choice feels reasonable. But together, they raise your baseline cost of living. So even with more income, nothing feels easier. Modern life adds 2 more pressures. First, debt. Student loans, credit cards, and interest payments absorb future income. Second, comparison. Social media expands who you measure yourself against. Even doing well can feel like falling behind. When wages lag behind productivity, essentials rise faster than pay. Housing absorbs income. The brain adapts to gains, and debt limits flexibility. More money stops feeling like progress. This isn't personal failure. It's a system under constant pressure. Understanding this won't raise your salary tomorrow. But it explains why the finish line keeps moving. This is Simplexplain. Complex ideas simply explained.